How does futures trading work? Few financial instruments can match the sheer volume and speed of futures contracts. In a single day, millions of futures contracts are traded, each representing a legally binding agreement to buy or sell a specific asset at a predetermined price and date. The underlying asset can be anything from agricultural commodities like wheat and corn to financial instruments like stocks and indices. Perhaps the most astonishing fact about futures trading is the sheer amount of leverage involved. A small initial deposit, known as margin, can control a contract worth many times more. This leverage can amplify both profits and losses, making futures trading a high-risk, high-reward endeavor. In fact, it's not uncommon for a trader to lose their entire investment in a matter of minutes. So, how does futures trading work? At its core, a futures contract is a bet on the future price of an asset. If you believe the price will rise, you can buy a futures contract. If you think it will fall, you can sell one. When the contract expires, you either profit or lose the difference between the agreed-upon price and the market price. But futures trading is more than just buying and selling contracts. It involves a complex interplay of factors, including supply and demand, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. For example, a drought in a major agricultural region can drive up the price of wheat futures, while a global recession can lead to a decline in stock index futures. One of the key advantages of futures trading is its ability to hedge risk. For example, a farmer can use wheat futures to lock in a price for their crop, protecting them from potential price declines. Similarly, a company can use stock index futures to hedge against market volatility. However, futures trading is not without its drawbacks. The high leverage involved can lead to significant losses, and the market can be highly volatile. Additionally, futures contracts are standardized, which means that traders may not be able to customize them to their specific needs. Despite these risks, futures trading remains a popular and important part of the global financial markets. It provides liquidity, price discovery, and risk management opportunities for a wide range of participants, from individual investors to large corporations.